How to disable Windows automatic updates on your Windows. Hello everybody. If you are annoyed with a Windows update that makes us automatically update our computer, in today's video we are going to go ahead and disable those features. So let's just get started. You can directly hit Windows plus R for that, and here in this box just go ahead and type in services.msc. Hit OK, enter, and once you do so, this opens up. You can expand it. You can click on one and press W, and you'll be headed over the W section. You can go over and find Windows Update. Back click on it, go over to Properties, and from Properties, you can go ahead and select the startup type, disable it. After that, click on Apply and click on OK, and that should do it. Or if you'd like to permanently disable it, the next thing we can do is hit Windows plus R, and there just go ahead and type in regedit. So let me just show you. Type in regedit and open it up. Your registry editor, go ahead and give allow access, and like this. And once you reach over here, go over, find HK local machine, expand it up, go over to software, expand it up, and from software go over policies, expand it up, find Microsoft, expand that one as well, and from Microsoft here look out for Microsoft Windows Update. If there is any Windows Update, go ahead and find it up, and once you are here, right click on it, go ahead and new, click on key, and this opens up. Now there, just go ahead and type in Windows Update if there isn't any. Not under here, maybe just go over to Windows directly. And under Microsoft, back click on it and click on New key and look up for Windows Update. Click on Windows and type in Update and hit Enter like this. And under Windows Update as well, you're just gonna right click on it and go ahead and click on New, click on Key, and type in A here. Hit Enter. After that, go to AU and right click on it, click on New, and go over and look out for the word 32-bit value like this, available. And then here on the new value, we're just gonna go ahead and name the new value name. Let me just show you. So let me just go ahead and create a new one, new word 32 value, and type in no auto updates, type in no auto updates, and hit enter and double click on it, and you're gonna make the value data 1. Click on OK, and that will automatically turn off auto updates for your Windows 10 or 11. So therefore, that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.